I just wanted to leave you with this thoughts, just to show you that, oh, maybe Francis Galton wasn't all that bad. But he was just, and like I said, he was just so peculiar in what he measured. And basically he tried to measure men of science. So like, what did of his time, the notable mathematicians, what did they have in common? And I just thought I would share this with you as some inspiration. But basically, they're not tied down to the classics. What he really hits on is they have, a wide array of subjects that they're skilled in, or at least acquainted in. So, know a lot of fields, and you don't have to be a master of one, but it doesn't hurt to at least be acquainted with some of the concepts from various fields. So he noted chemistry, botany, logic, political economy. And we're trying to combine those here in cannabis data science. Attention to details. I often overlook critical details, so I need to work on this one. But, Charles and all of you keep me on my toes, and we can keep each other on our toes. So we can help each other with this one. And then, of course, I thought this was laudable, that yes, you want to, talk with, all members of society, right? You can't just, spend your time with the hoity-toity. And so I thought that was interesting. So anywho, I just thought I would share this with you because I don't know, this caught my eye. So that was my final bit for today. So thank you all for staying extra time today. Please feel free to reach out if you want to talk cannabis data science during the week. And I hope you all have a productive week. Keep your noses to the grindstone, and as always, have fun.